Luxury to indulge you, power to move you, technology to keep you connected. Yamaha redefines the watercraft experience with the flagship FX Series WaveRunners. The Yamaha FX portfolio of full-size 3-passenger watercraft includes 5 models: the full-featured FX HO and FX Cruiser HO, the supercharged FX SVHO and FX Cruiser SVHO, and the accessorized FX Limited SVHO. New for 2024 is the Yamaha 1.9-liter high-output marine engine, offering a boost in displacement and power over the previous 1.8-liter motor, giving the FX HO and FX Cruiser HO models quicker and smoother acceleration for tow sports and a higher top speed. Crave more performance? Check out the FX SVHO models powered by the 1.8-liter Super Vortex high-output engine. This supercharged powerhouse has propelled the FX SVHO to multiple offshore racing championships. All FX models come with Ride, Yamaha's dual throttle system that makes low-speed handling around the dock a breeze. Simply throttle forward with the right-hand lever and throttle reverse or decelerate with the left-hand lever. Ride provides excellent maneuverability while keeping both hands on the handlebars. The flagship FX Limited SVHO offers performance, comfort, and technology, plus the limited package of accessories that includes a single rider tube, tube holder, tube inflator, tow rope, and dedicated soft cooler. Gunnel fenders protect the watercraft at the dock, as well as an included cover. Its 11-foot 9-inch hull offers a smooth and dry ride with plush seating for 3 persons. And there's generous storage for a day's worth of gear and supplies, including a 34.3-gallon bow compartment, a deep glove box, and wet storage for lines and gloves in the stern. All FX Series models feature the Connext information system with a bright 7-inch screen. Connext combines mobile device connectivity with an integrated microphone, Bluetooth audio control, and GPS navigation and geofencing capability. Use the drive control function to set and save rider preferences for performance or comfort, set the top speed limit, and activate fuel-saving eco mode and towing mode. Want some tunes at the sandbar? Most FXs come equipped with a factory-installed audio system that includes twin waterproof marine speakers, each backed by 50 watts of amplifier power, with an easy access control panel for streaming from your personal device. Install additional gear using the optional integrated multi-mount system to secure accessories onto the dash through the cup holders, including a mount for an action camera, fish locator, or mobile device. The optional rec deck can support even more fun and adventure, from a cooler to a lounging seat and shade kit for the sandbar part. And best of all, you ride with confidence knowing your Yamaha WaveRunner is backed by exceptional customer service that has led Yamaha to more Industry Association Customer Service Index awards than any other PWC brand. Experience exciting performance, advanced technology, and convenience features that you will appreciate with the premium Yamaha FX Series. To learn more about the FX Series and the entire WaveRunner lineup, visit yamahawaverunners.com.